In a day and age when we want to make our products, our air conditioners last longer, one of the things you need to do twice a year probably is clean these coils. Now you can just use a water hose and hose it down, or you can use a coil cleaner, and this one's a Pure Later 2000, and I got this at Lowe's. Professional grade foaming solvent, protects coils with built-in corrosion inhibitors, helps to degrease and clean, which like. And so you shake it up, spray liberally. And you're going to let it sit there a while.
And make sure it's off.
With it's off, yes, Clay, you're right. And that foam will push out some of that dirt. And then after it's set for a while, we'll hose it all out. You can just hose it, but you need to do it fairly regularly. That's like a radiator, and you need to clean that. So if it gets covered up, then it would, here I have county road dust and just dust in general. So we're going to come back here in a little bit when this is foamed up and see what it looks like. Now we're going to clean it all out. This spray nozzle looks terrible. Let me get it all out where there's no soap coming out. Alright, there you go. That's what you need to do twice a year. See ya.